Entrepreneurship is great, and if you're deciding to become an entrepreneur, then you need to know what it has to offer to you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 reasons why you should become an entrepreneur, with a hope and a purpose that it will help you to decide your journey better. Stay tuned. Welcome to the video. See, entrepreneurship is cool, but it is also super demanding mentally, physically, and emotionally. Before choosing entrepreneurship, one has to understand deeply what it has to offer. Trust me, in many aspects, it is way better than job. So without wasting time, let me share with you 3 reasons why entrepreneurship is a better option. Reason number 1, you will create jobs. Now, if getting a job is an awesome feeling, then just imagine how would you feel when you give job to people by recruiting them to work for you and your company. How would you feel when these people come to you and tell you that you are the reason because of what their family is eating food on time daily? Trust me, the feeling is awesome and emotional at the same time. Hence, if you're thinking to become an entrepreneur, then remember, going forward, you will be needing a team to grow your business and work. And this is where you will lead, because entrepreneurs create jobs. And the best part about this is that creating job is a never-ending process. It will always keep on going till your company exists and grows. Moreover, it is not only a win-win situation for you as an entrepreneur, but also for your employees who are getting job, and also for the country, as it curbs down the unemployment ratio till an extent. So remember, if you are deciding to become an entrepreneur, you are gonna create lots and lots of job in near future. Reason number 2, you will solve problems. See, entrepreneurs do not sell goods and services in return of money. Instead, they solve problems and charge for the same. The world has many problems yet unsolved, and this is where the entrepreneurs step in. As an entrepreneur, you will pick up a new problem and offer a solution for the same, or you will pick up an old solution and offer a better, innovative version of it. Either ways, you are making lives of people and other companies better. Now, this may not be easy, but surely this is gonna be the respectable position, and in the long term, it will serve you happiness and contentment. Hence, entrepreneurship is for you if you are someone who believes in taking challenges and solving the problems. Reason number 3, freedom to live a balanced life. Though entrepreneurs work hard and smart, they are also the one who lives a balanced and a happy life, because the control of their destiny is in their hand. As an entrepreneur, you will have a complete freedom to play with your time and schedule it the way you want. As an entrepreneur, you will clearly know when you need to work extra for your company, and you will clearly understand when you need to work less so that you can give time to your family or for yourself. In other words, you will be available 24/7 for your company work, and you will also be available 24/7 for your family and for your personal work at the same time. Also, there will be no fixed rules. It all depends on the choices that you make. The more better choices you make, the more better you will understand what to serve when you need to give time to your family and when you need to give time to your business. And the moment you learn the art of making right choices, you will see a better version of yourself in future. See, freedom is priceless, and entrepreneurs do have freedom in their life because they are the one who is controlling the time and not the other way around. So these were the 3 reasons why entrepreneurship is better than job. Now, by no means I am saying that job is not good. In fact, most of us started our career with job, and job also beats entrepreneurship in many ways. However, the purpose of this video is to serve your vision of becoming an entrepreneur by reflecting its positive sides. Hope you liked it. So thanks for watching the video. Feel free to like the video and share it with your friends and family members and help them with their entrepreneurship journey. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask me in the comment box and I will reply them as soon as possible. You are free to connect with me on social media and ask me any questions related to your personal life or your business journey there as well, and I will answer them as soon as possible. The handles are mentioned in the description box below. Now, I have 2 channels on YouTube, that's Samit Trivedi English and Samit Trivedi Hindi, where I upload 1 new video every week. Subscribe those channels and hit the bell icon so you are notified as soon as I upload my new video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks once again for watching. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.